Oh wow, what kind of animal lives here? Perhaps a raccoon? Or maybe a bull? Nope, just an awkward mom. Hey, I could have been called that clean mom, but that would be a lie. The baby's room isn't so bad. It really helps when they can't move or move. The moving is really the issue here. If we would all just stay still all the time, in bed, in front of the TV, the house would never get dirty. You would just need to skip meals and not have a job. That requires moving. Oh, and you would need a catheter, probably a nurse too. This idea isn't sounding so good after all. Speaking of staying in bed, I loved this pillow during pregnancy. It can be used as a pretend phone, or you can hug it all night long. I liked this one because all the others were way too bulky. These giant U and C-shaped pillows are not made for women who share a bed. So my banana pillow was perfect for me, and I still use it. When my husband doesn't steal it, because he loves it just as much apparently. But really, it's nothing special. It's just a pillow shaped like America's favorite fruit. But that would be a fun business to have. Pillows shaped like fruits. Our bestseller? The kumquat. Does anyone else love scarves as much as I do? This is my collection held by a hanger specifically made for scarves. One of my favorite to wear are the infinity scarves from the Dollar Tree. I go every spring and buy pretty much every design they have. Yeah, I'm living large. Just call me Hillary Clinton. Speaking of Hillary, did you know that my mom and I stayed at a spa that the Clintons stayed too? Well, they were there 10 years prior, but hey, I could have gotten my back rubbed by the same woman who rubbed Bill Clinton's back. But neither of us had any relations with that woman. I mean, we weren't related. She kind of looked like she could be my aunt, but that was just a coincidence. So if you're new to my channel, this is what I do in my Clean With Me videos. I ramble about random nonsense until you don't even want to clean anymore because you need time to recover from the amount of brain cells you gained listening to me speak. My husband is practically Einstein just from living with me. Let me show you how smart I am, okay? A plus B equals C. That's algebra. Yeah, I know, incredible. But what you'll really find on my channel is lots of laughter because I love to make people laugh, motivation, and reviews of cleaning routines because for some reason, people love it when I try new systems. So if you have any cleaning routines you'd like me to try, then let me know in the comments because I'm always looking for video ideas and you guys have the best ideas. So my baby is now almost 4 months old and will no longer be sleeping in my room. She got so big for her bassinet that her arms weren't even lying flat anymore. They were leaning on the walls of the bassinet. So I'm going to get it out of my room because it's just taking up space at this point. And she sleeps so much better in the crib. Last night she only woke up once, which was amazing. Meanwhile, this bassinet woke her up every hour. And look at that, my room is clear to clutter, but it's covered in dust and still needs a good wipe down. I recently discovered a new cleaning system, which I shared in my previous video, called the 3-wave cleaning system. And it has really helped me to clean in an effective way. I'm actually using the methods I learned from it in this video. After you're done with this video, you should check it out. I've been so behind on life right now that I haven't been able to follow any kind of organized cleaning routine. So the 3-wave system is nice for when I finally do get to cleaning, because now I know how to stay on track. It's so easy to get distracted. It's been a while since I've cleaned out this fan. The last time I cleaned it was when I bought it. Well, I didn't clean it, it came already clean. Check out the dust on these blades. Gross. Looks like the blades have a warm gray blanket on them. I wonder if anyone has ever made a blanket out of dust bunnies. Maybe back in the 1200s or something. They did some pretty weird things back then. You never know. Think about all the dust this fan has been blowing at us while we've been sleeping for the last 2 years. I gotta clean this thing out more often. Do you have a fan in your room? Do yourself a favor and clean it out. We also like to sleep in a very cold room, so we have our fan blowing year-round. We keep it around 60 degrees at night and then bundle up with like 4 blankets. I find it comfortable, and there's nothing worse than lying in bed in the summer and 80-degree weather where you're forced to remove your blanket. I hate not having my blanket right up to my neck. It makes me feel safe, like I'm back in the womb.
Ariel, get out of my womb.
So I learned that microfiber cloths and an all-purpose cleaner are all you need to clean. I'm using one of the cloths to dust the surfaces and the other to wet and wipe down surfaces. I don't know what I was thinking all this time using a plain washcloth with how well these microfiber cloths clean. And there we go. That looks so much better. This room was far overdue for a good clean, and I feel like I can actually sleep more comfortably now. I'll come back later to vacuum, but it's time to move on to the baby's room. I really wanted to clean all 3 bedrooms in my house, but I ran out of time, which is too bad because my 4-year-old's bedroom looks like a tornado went through it. The baby's room isn't too bad, probably because she hasn't been sleeping in it for the last 3 months. But now that she is, it will get messy. As long as a room is located within my house, it is destined to be messy. There's no escaping it. So tell me, when you watch my Clean With Me videos, do you really clean with me? I don't understand why these kinds of videos are so popular. I think I'd rather listen to a true crime podcast or blast Justin Bieber hits from 2010. But I just keep making them because you guys are apparently motivated by it. You know who motivates me? The Minimal Mom. I watch just one of her videos and I can't stand still. I start twitching like I need to throw something out. Or donate. Donating is the better option if it's something that could be useful to someone else. They say one man's trash is another man's treasure. Alright, I have a little more tidying to do before I get to the actual cleaning of this room. So cut to the music. Okay, it's time to clean. Let's start with my fancy window cleaner. I can't believe I spent 20 years wasting paper towels when I could have been using this $9 cloth. But even when I clean my windows, they still look dirty because the outside needs to be cleaned. And I'm not standing on a ladder to reach the 2nd story of my house. Who does that? I guess they do make window cleaning extension poles, but I'd have to care enough to spend $40 on one of those, which I don't. And listen, I'm just trying to keep up on cleaning my own hair right now, okay? Because my baby prefers it if I don't shower, or eat, or sleep. She prefers me to basically be a zombie, minus the eating human flesh part. Human milk? I'd consider it. If I was starving enough. Hey, if I'm a zombie, I gotta survive here. And I don't want to eat anyone's limbs. Okay, I've gone too far. So the baby's room is clean, and the last thing I need to do is vacuum. I mean, I could have done more, but I ran out of time. Mopping will just have to wait until next time. I want you guys to know that I am a YouTuber by day, but a ninja by night. I will give you exclusive footage of my super ninja move right here. So there's not much to vacuum here. If I was really ambitious, I would face the 20 dust bunnies under the bed, but I think it can wait another year when there's 20 more. Why clean up 20 of them twice when you could clean up 40 all at once? Yeah, you really do get the best advice here on my YouTube channel. Well, if you're interested in learning about the 3-wave cleaning system that I mentioned earlier, go ahead and click this video next. As for me, I am done and ready for a nap. Good day. I said good day.